Is your Volvo XC40 constantly dropping Apple CarPlay connection? Let's find the fix in this troubleshooting guide. Statistically, the vast majority of these connection drops are simple software sync errors or damaged data cables. Before you visit the dealer, follow these steps to isolate the issue. Start by testing a high-quality certified cable, then clear the Bluetooth and CarPlay pairing profiles on both devices. Check your phone for lint in the charging port, as a loose connection is the most common culprit. If it still fails, try toggling Siri settings or performing a network reset on your iPhone. Try these DIY steps first, but if the USB port feels loose or physical damage exists, see your Volvo technician. As you can see, a simple cable swap solves the vast majority of connectivity complaints. A hard reboot of the center display often clears persistent software glitches without needing a full factory reset. Keep a dedicated, high-quality cable in your glove box to prevent recurring issues. Remember, software is only as stable as the connection it runs on. If these steps didn't work, verify your phone port health and subscribe for more Volvo maintenance tips.